Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be checking out the latest Amazon tablet, the Amazon Fire HD10. Starting with the physical features on the tablet, you're getting dual speakers that support Dolby Atmos, you're getting now micro USB-C, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro SD slot for expandable storage. In the box, they include a micro USB-C cable with a 9-watt charger. You can upgrade to a 15-watt charger and you're going to get faster charging time. The Fire HD10 is rocking a 4700 milliamp hour battery, and I was getting around 10 hours of use on that battery. We're getting 2 gigs of RAM, which isn't phenomenal, but it's okay enough, especially for a tablet within this price range. Amazon did upgrade the new HD10 with a new 8-core processor. They're promising about 30% more performance out of this new chip. Moving on to the software side of things, the Amazon Fire HD10 is running Fire OS. With that OS, you're kind of limited as compared to other tablets that run just stock Android, so you do have to deal with the Amazon App Store. The Amazon App Store does support basic apps like Disney Plus and Amazon Prime Video and is pretty much tailored towards all of Amazon's services, so you're not going to be getting things like YouTube and Spotify. And that's somewhat of the reason why this tablet is so inexpensive. The reason Amazon can make this tablet anywhere from $100 to $150 is because they expect you to use the Amazon Prime services. They expect you to use these services, order things through Amazon Prime, use Prime Video. That's how they keep the prices down. But regardless of the Amazon ecosystem, the actual tablet itself is good. The display itself is a great display for $100 if you can get it for that price. Of course, this does retail at $150, but overall the display is great. It's got great color, it's a full HD display, and the display is nothing to complain about, especially for the price range. And on top of that, once you realize that the Fire HD10 can sideload the Google Play Store, you essentially get a straight up Android tablet for $100. I know I keep mentioning the price over and over again, but this isn't meant to compete with the iPad Pros or the Samsung Galaxy Tabs. This is meant to be pure price to performance. And that's where this tablet shines. You're getting a great media consumption device for a budget price. Now, of course, if you're picky, you can definitely nitpick the tablet, especially when it comes to the camera side of things. Now, I'm not a big believer in a great tablet camera, but the camera on the tablet is pretty potato-y. Overall, the Fire HD10 is not a workhorse. It's a great media consumption device and great for low-intensity tasks, whether that be watching movies or just straight up playing games and summoning the Amazon Assistant, which is definitely built into this tablet. Overall, the package you get with the Fire HD10 is a great value. As I've said before, the tablet has a good screen, it's got good audio, and it's got a pretty snappy processor. Not the best, of course, we can definitely wait to see some upgrades in the future like improved RAM and maybe a faster processor. But the screen itself is good, and I would definitely recommend this tablet to anyone looking to gift a tablet for the holidays or anyone looking for a tablet for themselves that doesn't want to shell out and blow their wallet out on an iPad. The Fire HD10 is pretty much in its own category when it comes to tablets, and that's the reason why it's so popular. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's been Alex. Thanks for watching.